Here is the real reason why you are going off pitch, and it has got nothing to do with your voice. It has got everything to do with your ears. Now, if you are not hearing the music loud enough, or if you're not hearing your own voice loud enough, you will tend to go off pitch. Now, if you're in a room like this and you realize that you're going off pitch, the first thing to do would be to increase the volume of the music or the tanpura. Now, if you're on stage and wearing in-ear monitors, the first thing to do would be to increase your own volume, your own voice, and then add a little bit more music so that you can hear your voice in the right context. Now, if you are someone who doesn't realize that they are going off pitch, here are two things that you should be doing. The first thing to do is to go to YouTube and search for sine wave tanpura. You'll come across an entire playlist. Pick the key that is comfortable and start playing it and sing along with it. The second thing to do is to open up in another device a tuner like this. Now you should sing your regular practice patterns, your paltas, alankars or varisais, and just randomly start checking the sa, ga and pa, the root, the third and the fifth. For example, sa sa re re ga ga, and try to move the needle to the center. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma, re re ga ga ma ma pa pa, and so on.